Probably seen details about this radio before. It's the IC-SAT100 satellite PTT radio, which provides worldwide coverage using the Iridium satellite network. But did you know we also supply the IC-SAT100M, which is a mobile version of the IC-SAT100, M for mobile. This can be used in the vehicle or indoors as a base station with the right setup. It provides the same global coverage that the SAT100 provides. So let's see how easy it is to use. We've got a SAT100M set up in the base station in my colleague's office. We've got Callum outside, and we're going to do a demonstration of me communicating with Callum just to see how easy it is. But the point is, Callum could be the other side of the country. He could even be the other side of the globe. Calling Callum.
Can you hear me outside? Over.
Hi Ian, hearing you loud and clear. Over.
Think about the potential of this system. It could provide a communication tool in remote or isolated areas with little cellular coverage or no radio infrastructure. If mobile coverage or radio infrastructure is rendered unusable by a natural disaster, SAT100 and SAT100M come into play, providing a reliable communication backup solution. For more details about both these products and our satellite PTT range, visit our website.